So, good morning, colleagues at ADvTECH. This morning, as many of you may know, the group announced its half-year results on the Stock Exchange News Service. And I'm here this morning to share the good news with you and explain some of the key features of the results. We were able to sustain and even improve the trend of profit improvement of the last 18 months or so, and this is due to each division making its contribution. In schools, we opened, as you know, earlier this year, 5 new schools. We've continued that trend with the announcement of another nursery school acquisition, and this has seen revenue growth in double digits for the first time in a little while. However, because of the costs of opening the new schools and the losses incurred in their first few years of operation, we've not been able to grow profitability at the same rate. This is normal and as we planned it, and we expect the benefit of opening those new schools to come through in the next few years as they get through the J-curve of the initial period of a school's life. In the tertiary division, we had a tremendous performance with good student enrollment in both first year and returning students, and we've been able to put the costs of the turnaround and restructuring which took place in the latter part of 2012 and last year behind us, and this has enabled a terrific performance by the tertiary division. The resourcing division felt very strong headwinds from an economy and particularly a job market that was battered by the prolonged strikes and other economic features that impacted on employer confidence. Under those conditions, we're very pleased with the way the resourcing division performed. It continued to produce a very strong return on capital and to generate a positive cash flow. So all in all, we can be very happy with the way that our group increased its sustainability and its strength for the long-term future. As part of this, we've been able to increase the number of job opportunities and management positions in the group, and I hope all of you are thinking about what lies ahead for you in terms of personal career development as you're part of this exciting group. I say exciting because we continue to grow and develop our 3 billion rand investment program. What I mean here is that as fast as we manage to complete planned expenditures, we add new plans so that on a rolling basis, the 3 billion plan remains in place. More than half of the planned new schools within that program take us into new market areas, but the remainder is involved in building and expanding our already market-leading education brands in both tertiary and schools. This is the highlight, the key point of our strategy, is a consistent, well-focused, sustainable growth strategy with the necessary resources and financial power to be able to be sure that we can execute it well in accordance with our values and in the best interests of our students. We know that doing so also creates a great and sustainable company. Thank you very much.